After a ton of questions, I'm going to break this down so people can understand what I mean by order flow. So this on the left, we have a regular candlestick chart, which is what 90% of traders use, right? But what's interesting is when you have a bearish candle and you have a wick over here, typically we've tapped into some kind of a fair value gap, right? So prices come in like this before we look to sell from this region. But now when we look at the wick over here slightly closer up, yeah, what we're beginning to understand is that we have a lot of buyers in this region. And the reason we have lots of buyers in this region is because we can see a lot of blue at the top and we see a lot of blue over here. So what does that mean, right? When we see lots of aggressive buyers trying to push price up, but the overall candle still closes bearish, what that means is that the fair value gap you are in is a successfully holding fair value gap. It is a true bearish fair value gap. And from here, we can start to look for trades on the lower time frames, right? So now that we've come into a fair value gap like this, you're looking for aggressive buyers to fail at this region from the order flow. And so from here, you can then end up taking good bearish trades, right? But remember, no order flow, no trade.